welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an avocado salad. All you need is some avocado slices, some chickpeas, some corn, salt and pepper. Now let's get started. The first ingredient is avocado slices. Let's add them into the bowl. Next, your corn. Next, chickpeas. Now it's time for the salt and pepper. Add a little bit of salt. Like that's good. Now pepper. Like that. Sprinkle it on like this. Now mix. In. That's it. Your avocado salad's ready. Lastly, add some lemon for a better taste. Now mix it well. Now add your avocado salad into a plate. And I'm also gonna add some carrot juice and a boiled egg to my breakfast. I hope you like this delicious healthy breakfast, and that's all I have for you today. If you like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.